Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to knit this beautiful pattern. This is the front side and this is the back side of the work. And for this pattern we need multiple of 12 plus 2 for each. Let's start. As I told you, for this pattern we need multiple of 12 plus 2, and we are going to start the pattern. And this pattern is 8 row repeat. First row we are going to knit all stitches. Row 2, we are going to take the first as an edge and then we knit 2, then we pull 8. Again we knit 2 and 8. Row 3, start by knit 2, yarn over, and then again pull 8. Yarn over and then knit 2. Row 4, we knit 2, pull 1, and then we knit 8. Again pull 1 and knit 2. Row 5, we knit 3, 1, 2, 3, then yarn over and knit 8. Yarn over and knit the last 3. But from row 3 to row 8 you are going to have more stitches or maybe less, but don't worry, it's gonna be adjusted in the row 8 again in 12. I'll show you when we receive. So now the pattern looks like that. We are going to go to row 6 by knit 2 and then pull 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we are going to knit 2 and then the edge. And this is the front side. Now we are in row 7. We start by knit 4. When it comes to here, we have to yarn over and then take these 8 stitches to 1. But of course it's not easy to take all of the 8 stitches with needle. What can I do always? I use the hook and then I take the 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then after that I try to take all the stitches together like that, and I return it to my hook. So I have again 4 knit, 1 yarn over. I make these 8 together, again 1 yarn over, and I knit 4. And the last one as an edge. Now row 8. Start by knit 2 and then pull 3. 1, 2, 3. When it comes to the middle with this one, now we have 2 here, but we should make it in 3. What we can do, we are going to knit to pull that second stitch first, then we use your finger and then pull the first one, and then again you have to pull the second one to make it in 3. If you look at here, now I have 3 stitches, and then let it go. We continue with pull 2, knit 2, and then a stitch. Let me show you in row 8 we are again in 12. This is the edge. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. The pattern is start again. If you back here, you can see you had the first pattern here, and if you repeat row 1 to row 8, you are going to have this pattern. Let me show you. This is 3 more repeats, and as you can see here is used as a separation, because the 2 we knit in each of 12 pattern, it looks like a separation for every of pattern. So this is the way we are doing to do that. Thank you for watch the video. If you like it, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you and have a good day.